Hi, I would like to welcome you to this short video, demonstrate how I can make my text view or label as a circular shape rather than rectangular shape. It's very simple of how to do that by doing some configurations. For start, I've just created a project already. It's called Design Circular Text View. And I'm gonna just first, I'm gonna change my view or my layout to relative layout. So I say relative layout. There it is, and that's done for me. There you go. So obviously, this should be automatically done, but in this case, so I'm gonna go and say relative layout as well, just in case. And if we look at this one, that's sorted now. So I can let me get rid of this part. So this here, and there we go. And that's what we have, right? So let me go, and I'm going to start text view for start. So I'm going to do text view, and that text view, I'm going to call it, maybe for start, I'm not going to put it as the same. I'm going to give it specific. So I'm going to say 100 dB here, and this one is 100 dB as well. Both of them, because I want to make them circular in a minute, and that's going to demonstrate this one to us. Obviously, I can close in here, and I can put things to it. Let me move it to the middle first. So I can go and say, what's center? Horizontal, and say true. Okay, so I say true. There we go. So that's obviously going to move it to the center. There it is. Let me move from the top bit as well. So I'm going to say just margin, and that's going to give me I want it from the top. There it is, margin from the top, and I'm going to get, for instance, say 150 dp, and let's see it. So that comes here actually. Now what we're going to do in order to do that, I can go. So that's been created now. I'm going to say make that circular here. I can go here to resources. There you go. And I go to the drawable folder. On drawable folder, I'm going here. And obviously, I can say new. And say give me drawable source file. There we go. So that's source file. I'm going to make it, for instance, I'm going to call circular text view. There it is. Okay, so look at this one. Can I write that rather than selector? I'm gonna call it. Let me call this one shape. There we go. Okay, so if I do that here, and you can see that's as we create other shape, and that's going to generate this for me. So this is what we're gonna have. So for start, for circular things, I'm going to do it, then I can fill the gaps there. All right, so the first thing is I need to put the corners. So here's corners. Here's corners. There we go, corners. The corners of the circle, they're all the same. So I'm going to say, let me go, for instance, I'm going to say right. There it is. So I went from the top, and I'm going to say it's 100 dB. Okay, the circles are all the same. So, and then I'm going to say right again, and I went one from here, and I'm going to say give me 100 dB as well. There we go. And then I'm going to go to the left side. So here's left, and I say okay, it doesn't make difference. 100 dB here, and the left again, and from the other end, and I'm going to say okay, I want 100 dB, and we'll close it. Okay. So obviously it's not visible. So what I'm going to do, let me make it a bit solid. So I can come here. Here it is. This part's here. And I'm saying, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to say solid. It's going to ask me for the color when I do solid. Here it is. So when I ask for the color, here it is. Let me choose one of the colors here and choose just any one of them. Okay. So let me go for instance, this one. Right, and you can see it's coming here actually. Okay, so that's closed. Yeah, there you go. So that's what we have here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I can come here to my text here, and all I'm gonna say, background. There it is, and I'm gonna say give me, actually I want here, give me drawable. Here it is, drawable, and I'm gonna do this. Here you go, and here it is. So now what I have a circular text view. Okay, so if I run this programs, and see what they're going to give us, it should come as a circular. So that's on the fonts here. It's very simple, actually, of how you do it. Okay, so it's taking time first time, and I'm going to show you, actually, this just demonstration is how to make the text view a circular shape, rather than sometimes you can do anything like traffic lights and so on. You can do with them. Let's wait for this program to run on the emulator and see what that looks like. And obviously, whenever you do designs, you can do lots of designs here if you want. It's limitless. So based on taking all the times here, it is, and you can see the label actually is here. Okay, well, thank you so much for this explanations of how to use the circular. You can design circular text view by just creating X here, and then you can use that one as here. Okay, and saying that, should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much. I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much.